Today in front of me I have Honor 70, and in this video I would like to guide you through the process of setting up the parental controls for this device. So to begin with, you need to launch settings, then enter the Google category over here. To start off, if you have any accounts currently linked to the smartphone, make sure to remove them and leave no accounts whatsoever. To do that, tap over here, go for the manage accounts on this device option, then Google, and then open each individual account you have, remove. Once there are no accounts that are currently associated with your device, we can start the setup procedure. So go for the parental controls option over here, then get started, child routine, next. Now we'll obviously wait for a little bit. In here, tap on add or create account for your child option. So, well, if you have any accounts, if you have any Google account already prepared, just log into it. I mean, for a child, of course. If not, just sign up for one. It is also worth mentioning, even though it's a parent, but still, so the child has to not know the password to the account, since if they do, they will be able to easily bypass and turn off the parental controls. So with this out of the way, tap at the Google over here, then enter the credentials for the child's Google account. So mine are HardReset.Info gaming as per the email. Next we will have to enter the password, which I will conveniently do off the screen, obviously. After you have entered both email and password, you'll get the following page, which you want to tap I agree button on, then enable Google services, click on accept, choose the account that you have either logged into or signed up for from the list. Then enter the credentials for the parent's account as well, or for the Google account that will be used for supervising the child's activity. So I'll start with, you have to start with the login, thus email. There's no other way around. Then enter the password. After that, you can learn what parents will be able to see and do. Then scroll the page all the way down once you're ready to confirm the account linking procedure. In order to confirm it, you have to first of all enter the password to the child's account once again. Then after you've did that, tap on the blue agree button, then activate the profile manager, whatever, and wait until parent and child accounts will be successfully linked. Then next. In here you can turn off any apps that you do not want your child to use. Well, that's interesting. We've been actually kicked out of the setup already. That's something. Whatever there is. So basically, we have already linked those accounts, and everything that was left to do was optional, so it's not that important really. So once you have your parental controls enabled, that's pretty much it as per the child's end. Now take the device that you will use for supervising the child's activity. Let me crank up the brightness a little. In my case, that's going to be this little Samsung phone. Then next step is to get the Family Link app on it. So here it is. We'll go ahead and download and install the Family Link app. Now we can just go ahead and launch the app. In here, while opening for the first time, make sure to choose the account that you have earlier pointed out as the one that will be supervising the child's activity and what's not. Among the list, you'll be able, you'll not have this wide of a list. You'll probably have only one device, but in my case I have plenty. So here we have our Honor 70, which you can set daily limits for, downtime routine for, configure and monitor the app activity, set some app limits if needed, enforce content restrictions, configure account settings, and manage devices if you have multiple. Alrighty, so that would be it as far as setting up the parental control on Honor 70 smartphone goes. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.